Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add another account in Google Drive on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, of course here you just have to open your Google Drive applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet here guys. If you want to add another account in Google Drive, just go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner of your screen, and after tap on this add another account. Just go ahead and tap on it, and in this pop-up tap on continue. And after here you can tap on this use another account again. Now just enter the email or the phone that connected to the email that you want to add for your Google Drive account. Here I'm gonna enter it first. If you're done, just tap on this next button here at the bottom. And after, just enter the password. Now tap on the next again. And yeah, as you can see, it will automatically log into the account that you add before. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.